Let's cook the most easy and delicious soup with simple ingredients. You will love this. Let's go. Let's start with ingredients. 1 medium onion, a can of organic beans, 2 medium potatoes and 1 big sweet potato. Sweet potato adds beautiful sweetness to the soup. I peel all of my vegetables. After peeling, I always wash them. Now when vegetables are peeled, I'm taking a pan, adding extra virgin olive oil. Now it's time to chop our vegetables. And I'm starting by adding vegetables to the olive oil. I used good quality beans, but you can use any beans you have. Adding 1.5 liter of hot water. I had salt flakes, but you can use any salt. I added pepper. I use dill, but you can use parsley too. Adding 2 bay leaves. Add stock or favorite mixed spice. I love herbal salt. You can see the link in the description. Cover and cook.